What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Mangwabe is going through, a very difficult process right now, which involves, extreme pain, and it's one of the most difficult decisions, a woman can make. And this decision is about divorcing Musa Mseleko. So, this is like a very extremely painful decision to be making because it involves, a lot of complexities, like guilt, shame, fear of regret, survival. One of the difficult things that you can actually see is Sia Kolisi. Not Sia Kolisi, but Rachel Kolisi. She is now driving this a very old car, and she is suffering, and she doesn't have, that financial backup that she used to get from Sia Kolisi. And this is one of the things, that Mangwabe might go through if she divorces Musa Mseleko. So it's a very difficult decision for her to make because it involves a lot of pressure, children, financial security, cultural judgment, So she definitely needs like lots and lots of prayers, during this moment where she is like digesting, and thinking about which decision to make, because in the past, it appeared as if she had made her mind to leave Musa Mseleko, but she still hasn't made that decision despite her telling us that she is living in Seleko. The reason why it is because of all of these points, that I just mentioned, like fear of regret, survival, finances, etc., etc. And she needs, a lot of support. So obviously, that support, she can obviously get it from her fans, via social media, family, and friends. So she definitely needs, a lot of support. So this is what I just saw, especially after seeing Rachel Kolisi. That's when it then clicked in my mind that Mangwabe is surely going through a lot of pain right now. I'll